Hi, this is Maggie from Crafts the Charm. Welcome to a 2-minute technique. Today's technique is making a wreath from mesh using the bubble method. You'll want to have your mesh, your wreath form, this is a 14-inch wreath form, and I'm going to use some 22 gauge wire. You could also use chenille stems. Once you've finished putting the mesh on the wreath form, you'll probably want to embellish your wreath, so you'll want embellishments as well. To start, cut 30 8-inch pieces of wire. If you're going to do more bubbles than I do, you'll want more pieces of wire. Layer 2 or 3 rolls of mesh and wrap with wire every 6 inches. Working from the underside of your wreath with the mesh on the right side, you're going to attach the mesh to the 2 inner wires of your wreath using the wire. Don't wrap it around too many times. We're going to use it again if you want to add another color. You should attach 4 to 5 bubbles between each set of cross pieces, and once you reach a cross piece, wire to the cross piece. Work all the way around the wreath form. If you're only going to use one color, then you'll probably want to use more mesh to get a fuller wreath. If you want to add a second color, then what you can do is double up another color of mesh, gather it into 6-inch pieces, and push it through from the back of your wreath and attach it with a wire. So push it through between 2 of the bubbles of the original color where a wire is, and then attach that wire around your new bubble. Here I'm using a white color in 3 yard lengths, so I needed 4 rolls to complete the wreath. Once you've finished adding all of the mesh, turn the wreath so that the right side is facing you and fluff each of the bubbles. So turn them so that they are convex, and then pull apart the 2 pieces so that they spread out. Make sure you have your colors alternating. Once you've done that, you can embellish again by using wire to attach your embellishments to the wreath. So no glue is required, and all of these materials could be reused. And you're done. Mesh is an inexpensive way to get a beautiful, colorful, very full wreath. Here's my example, which is red and white with gold and silver balls, a silver ribbon, and a nutcracker. All of these materials, except for the 22 gauge florist wire, are from the Dollar Tree. Happy crafting!